Hello everyone. This is a video on company tax rate. A lot of people want to know if I am running a company, which is the most common entity for running a business, then how much taxes I have to pay. Well, it's very simple calculation. There is no tax-free threshold, which means in case company earns $1, it has to pay tax. Unlike individuals have a tax-free threshold of 18,200. So first 18,200 of individuals' income is tax-free, but company, there is no tax-free threshold, there is no Medicare levy, there is no Medicare levy surcharge, but you pay tax from $1 of your income. Okay, now what is the tax rate for small companies? Base rate company tax rate applies. In 2019 to 20, the rate was 27.5%. In 2020 to 21, the rate is 26%. And next financial year it will be 25%. So as you can see, the company rate is going down slowly and slowly. Now, should you pay tax under a company or under an individual? Now, this is a part of tax planning which every small businesses should do. If you are running a company, what I would recommend that you should keep some income. You should take some income as a salary or as a director fee from the company. How much income? You should take up to $45,000 of income, because till $45,000 of income you will get tax-free threshold and you will pay 19% tax. What happens over 45,000 of individual income? Over $45,000 of income, the individual is going to pay 32.5% plus 2% Medicare levy plus surcharge if applicable. So minimum, for a small business, you will be paying 34.5% of the tax. But if you retain that profit in company, let the company pay tax on that income, you will be paying only 26%. There is a big difference, 26% and 34.5%. So it's better to keep profit after 45,000. Just keep profit in the company, let the company pay tax at 26%, which is a lower rate. That's my advice. In case you have any question, just ring our accountants on 1300-768-284 and our accountant will talk to you and will help you in information of company or in tax planning, whatever services you need. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.